Welcome back to my channel guys. This is your mentor Sanyukta Singh with the episode 4. I guess 4 है या 5 है, थोड़ा सा doubt है मुझे. So with the latest episode of situation test here, I know my video is coming late because I was too busy with our classes and my students. So today's session is going to be all about what type of important question you can get on different types of themes or different types of topics. ठीक है, so I'll be discussing all these models and the questions here in this whole session. At least you will be shown up with the 30 to 40 models of other segments. So from here you're going to get the idea that if you're going to make a footwear, how are you going to make it? If you're going to make a jewelry or a lifestyle accessory, what are the elements or the things which you're going to keep in mind? So do watch this video completely because this is going to be very much important and helpful for you all, because in the next 3 days you are going to have your exams. So let's move forward. Yes, set design is one of the questions. Like on my YouTube channel, one of the students asked recently that one of the question in amongst all the 2 or 3 questions, it is necessary कि one question do come of set design. So I can say yes to it because set design do include your exteriors also, interiors also, and the workplaces also, where you are doing something related to drawing room, kitchen, kids bedroom, or a cafeteria, or maybe a waiting area, or maybe the principal's room. So these all were the questions that were previously asked in the situation test. So here you can see 2 of the models. This model was asked in in one of the question of the previous years, where you had to design a kitchen for a Indian family. So this is how you can draw a kitchen. I am also going to show you some physical models with like kept on my hand. Then I'll be discussing some of the materials and the ways or the techniques which you must keep in mind. And here is one of the model which is based on Panchatantra, the classroom for the kids, which is made on the theme of Panchatantra. Now if you can zoom to it, or if you like if you want to, you can see that the Ka Kha Ga has been written by the clay, and rolling of the tissue paper has been shown here, and through that the buntings has been shown here. Now ये जो Ka Kha Ga जिस पे लिखा हुआ है उसको हम buntings कहते हैं, and the board, the display board, some of the shelves which are made by the ice cream sticks, some of the transformable chairs where the desk area is shown, where the sitting area is shown, and also one of the human figure. Now I have always said my students that you must include any 1 or 2 human figures if you are doing a set design, because that is going to give you marks. And also you can see how the chairs has been made. Normal regular paper, origami and kirigami are too basic, and you have to do the material handling. So through ice cream sticks, through folding of the ice cream sticks and the straws, the table and the chair has been made. You can see here. Let's move forward. Now these are some of the more set design models which do include the well planned city as well as the village or the kids room. Now here you can see the kids room. The theme is if the kid loves maths. So here you can see the branches in the tree, and the leaves has been made in the form of the various Roman and English letters 2, 3, square, plus, minus, which is depicting the love for mathematics. Also here you can see the composed city where all the maybe paper folding and the cuboids, the basic shapes अगर आपने सीखे हैं, this is going to be very helpful, because through that you are going to make the vehicles also, buildings also, and the park area also. So again, if it is asked to make a well planned city might, like, it must include the schools, the parks, the maybe shopping places, etc. And this is the village area. Now how innovatively you can see the things have been utilized to show the hut. Jute has been used to show the well and to show the water. The glaze sheets, the blue glaze sheets have been used to depict the water thing. The bamboo sticks, the ropes have been depicted through the jute part, and the raw simple paper like of brown color has been depicted to show the like mountains, etc. And this is how the cutwork has been shown here to show the trees, and the well has been shown with the boundaried by the bamboo sticks. So this is how you are going to use your materials and manipulate them. Now let's move on to our next model, which is mementos. Mementos are one of the questions, guys, which you usually get in your situation test. Like mementos, I believe you must be aware what are mementos. Some things which are given in the memory of something. Okay, like if you want to give a memento to your prime minister, you can depict it in the form of a character design in which प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी को आप डिपिक्ट करोगे. तो इस तरीके से अगर आप किसी को लाइक समवन इज कमिंग टू इंडिया, एनी एनआरआई या कोई फॉरेनर है जो इंडिया आ रहा है, एंड देन यू वांट टू प्रेजेंट अ मोमेंटो, you can present Taj Mahal to him because Taj Mahal is depicting India. So this is how the mementos can be made. You have to use various type of elements to depict that very theme. Like here the question was, you have to design a memento for the heroes of India at the border. So we salute you. This is being written by the wire. Now why wire? Because you are not allowed to use pen or pencils over the model, and this is how the Indian flag and the army official has been depicted. Now this is one of the memento which is for your favorite sports person. तो PV सिंधु के लिए ये पूरा memento था, and that's how the cork and the badminton has been depicted. So here you can see the bamboo sticks and the cut work has been done here. Here the feathers have been made so realistic. So that's how you are going to do it. And if you are aware of how to make the basic shapes, definitely you're going to make the base out of cuboid, cube, pyramid, anything. Moving on, let's see some of the more trophies and mementos. Now there is a difference between trophies and mementos, and I think you must be aware. Trophies, they have the regular figure. So by using the cut work and other materials, the layering has been shown with the use of paper, and the writing part, this has been done by the clay. And this is again Student of the Year award. See the base, how the base has been created. I always say to my students, you have to create the base very strongly. Like you have to do it through the like it must not fall, है ना. तो यहाँ पे आइसक्रीम स्टिक को यूज किया हुआ है, एंड ऑल द डेकोरेशन थिंग विच इज बीइंग डन, एंड दिस इज द ग्रेजुएशन कैप जो भी मिलती है, तो स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर का अवार्ड है. एंड अगेन रुक्मिणी देवी संगीत नाटक अकेडमी के लिए अवार्ड बनाया गया था. सो दिस इज द होल डांसिंग फिगर एंड अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस बिकॉज इट इज आस्क्ड ट्रॉफीज. तो ट्रॉफीज आपके कुछ इस तरीके से हो सकती हैं. एंड अगेन द वर्ल्ड्स बेस्ट टीचर. सो सम ऑफ दीज क्वेश्चन हैव ऑलरेडी बीन आस्क्ड इन योर एग्जाम, एंड हियर इन द थ्रू द model, the questions which I am telling you, you can go through the model. You can also practice these models because now also there are 3 days left. Moving on, lighting fixture. This is a lighting fixture inspired from aquatic life. Now this is the area where the bulb will be there, and this is the base. You can see. So lighting fixture could be one of the model. ये home accessories में ये questions आते हैं. Moving on, character design. Now character design is one of the topic where you might be asked to make a puppet or a mascot or maybe a doll. So this is one of the dancing puppets which are representing any community. तो आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, this is how with the use of cone आपके यहाँ पे फिगर्स बनाए गए हैं. द फेस पार्ट, द स्क्रम्बलिंग ऑफ द पेपर हैज बीन यूज्ड टू शो दिस. द ज्वेलरी पार्ट, द थर्मोकोल balls has been used. Now you can also cut the thermocol balls and insert through a wire, and through this you can manipulate that very material. Moving on, you can see the mascots. Now I think you must be aware about what are mascots. Mascots are something which do advertise and communicate with people. people and it's of your brand. Now mascots are not necessary कि हर brand का हो ही, logos हर brand का होता है. Logos are basically for the identification of the brand and mascots are basically for the generating communication from the people. So it's for the marketing purpose. तो इस तरीके से if you know the mascot, आप किसी भी brand का mascot represent कर सकते हो. I think you must be aware कि Indian Railways का mascot कौन है? It is भोलू. So आपको पता है कि if you know the exact Indian mascot of Indian Railways mascot, आप बिल्कुल उस तरीके से उसको redesign कर पाओगे. Moving on, these are some of the accessory design questions जो आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहा है. Accessories design include bags also, clutches also, pouches also, belts also, brooches also, jewelries also. So lifestyle accessories do include these things also. Also here is a clock made inspired from the theme owl. So this is how you can use the innovatively use the paper plate also. And यहाँ पे जो arrows बने हैं, you can also make them by ice cream stick or the toothpick or maybe a bamboo stick जो भी आपको provided होगा. This is how the bamboos have the jutes have been used and the thermocols have been used. So through these models, guys, I just want to show you some of the examples. That's how you can use the materials in various ways. Now this is one of the mask design. You can see inspired from maybe Janmashtami, and this is again, I think I am like confused with the inspiration, but the mascot is really good. You can see the use of ice cream sticks, the use of cones, the use of paper techniques along with the threads, etc. And moving on, there is a mascot which is inspired from Radha Krishna also, not mascot, but the headgear and mask. This is the headgear and this is the mask inspired from Krishna and Radha. आप देख सकते हो. And this is again a mascot. And now you can see the innovative use of the horns. ठीक है. Now how are these horns going to be made? You are going to make a wire mold, and onto that wire if you want you can wrap paper also, or the foil paper also, just to give it that desired shape. So headgears and masks are one of the questions जो कि आपके एग्जाम में आ सकता है, and previously आ भी चुका है. Key rings and the small elements which you always use in some or the other model of set design also, and other questions also जहाँ पे आपको window display आ गया तो आप ऐसा कुछ element use कर सकते हो, ऐसा कुछ use कर सकते हो. Accessories आ गया तो आप earrings बना सकते हो इस तरीके से. So moving on, footwear design. These are some of the examples of footwear design, guys, inspired from mythological characters, and there are some more inspirations. तो आप देख सकते हो. The heel part, the flats, how it is created. तो सबसे बड़ा सवाल उठता है कि कैसे क्रिएट करें. तो सबसे पहले आप पेपर पे एक लेआउट बना लोगे अपने सोल का, एंड देन आप उसको कट करके उसको शेप दे लोगे, एंड देन आफ्टर यू आर गोइंग टू वर्क विद द हील्स पार्ट इफ यू आर इंक्लूडिंग द हील्स. तो अगर आपने प्रैक्टिस नहीं की है, प्लीज इसकी प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिए. मूविंग ऑन, आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू सम ऑफ द फिजिकल मॉडल्स ऑफ माई स्टूडेंट्स विच आर इन द वर्किंग फॉर्म ऑल्सो. नाउ यू कैन सी दिस वॉज द कार्ट which I gave a question to my students that they have to make this cart of fruit or vegetable seller, and you can see this is moving, the wheels are moving, है ना. And see, I am using this model, बिल्कुल मैं ऐसे भी पकड़ सकती हूँ, and this cart ये यहाँ से भी मैं पकड़ा जा सकता है. So this is showing the strength of the model. So you need to make your models this much of this much strength ताकि वो टूटे नहीं, वो अगर फैन चल रहा हो तो वो गिर नहीं जाए. And these are the small trays जो आपको दिख रहा होगा, that has been made by the use of ice cream sticks, and the fruits have been made by the use of clay. So you can see these models, and the mechanism is here because they are working, the wheels can move. I think you must have practiced this because एक कार्ट ऐसा भी होगा जो बच्चे सिंपल ऐसे स्टैंड करके बना रहे होंगे, और एक कार्ट मूवेबल होगा. डेफिनेटली movable one is going to get a good marks. Now some of the models which I am going to show you, this is the pop-up card made by the theme Mother's Day, and the written part has been done by glitters. If you get glitter तो आप बिल्कुल लिख सकते हो पेन एंड पेंसिल यूज़ किए बिना, and this can be the pop-up thing. तो ये क्वेश्चन इस टाइप के भी आपके एग्जाम्स में आ चुके हैं. आई थिंक यू मस्ट प्रैक्टिस दीज. ऑल्सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द किचन जो कि आपको दिख रहा होगा, एंड द kitchen which is depicting the Indian family, so obviously you're going to use some utensils, you're going to show the shelves open. So these are some of the elements which no one is going to tell you, but you have to put on your creativity and depict your model through that. The mat, the checkered tiles, the shelves, the chimney, etc. So this is one of the model, आप देख सकते हो. And again I did show you many models in my previous class also. This was one of the window displays for the company Adidas, inspired from the theme adventure. तो आप देख सकते हो window display is also a part of set design, and but इसमें जो window कटती है वो set की तरह, interiors की तरह बहुत बड़ी नहीं होती है, तो आप इसका ध्यान रखोगे. And the base is always cardboard sheet, that's so that your model can stay like this. तो आपको अपना base हमेशा heavy रखना है, ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. So yes, these were some of the important tips which I did wanted to give you, and I'm sorry I was late, but there is again 3 days left for your exam, and I think you're going to learn a lot from this video. If you have something to ask, you can come in my comment section. You can put up your queries and the comments there. I will definitely guide you for the same. And yes guys, all the best all of you. And I know कि इस बार जो आपके centers मिले हैं NIFT के, वो आपके college में नहीं मिले हैं, वो अलग अलग शहरों में अलग अलग सेंटर्स है. सो अनलाइक द प्रीवियस ईयर्स डेज, सेंटर्स हमेशा निफ्ट के होते थे, बट एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग टू चेंज, एंड आई बिलीव कि काउंसलिंग भी थोड़ा चेंज होने वाला है. सो बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दैट एंड जस्ट गिव योर बेस्ट, and let us know after your exam that how did our channel help you all. That's it. Till then, take care. Bye bye.